we are. We're going to have a corn dog party. Papa's party. Some appetizers. Some fun appetizers. We have some kielbasa. This has already been cooked. So just like that. We have some Louisiana hot sausage. We have some chicken brat. And we have some jalapeno cheddar. We're going to go the long way on these. We're going to take them outside because that's where I fry. We're going to do a bunch of dipping sauces when this is done. And it's going to be a blast, I promise. Gosh, this is going to be fun. Now, people like to say they don't like corn dogs. I have clearly stated that it's a death row meal for me. I don't plan on being on death row, but this would be the first course. Okay, I think that's enough to get started. What about a wildcat? I got this Spanish ham wrapped around some nice cheese. It's just a crazy idea I got in the market. I should do two in case little Louie likes them too. It's not National Corn Dog Day, but if there is one, I've got content ready. Okay, see you guys out there. Should be a blast. Okay, here we go. Jalapeno cheddar. The chicken bratwurst. Little Cajun sausage. Okay, I think that's a good first batch. Let's see what happens. We're going to serve these with some dipping sauces, and they should be a blast. I mean, I'm pretty excited about these. These are going to be in here about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on color. Color is when it tells me it's done. Now, the good thing about this is we're cooking a pre-cooked sausage, which is really good. I mean, because raw sausage, you really got to be careful about getting it to at least 165, and I don't really have to have that concern or worry here. How much fun is this? Whew. A little dangle. Bring it over here. You know, cooking is such a fun thing. Crazy little dish like this should be just really fun. Ooh! Doo-doo-doo-doo. Proof there's UFOs. Got a little corn dog, some sausage. I mean, what more could you want? Do I look happy? I think I'm very happy.